David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. Can I have a booth, please? Do you have a pre-theater menu? We'll start with the Abe Should Have Ducked soup, Major Rathbone's chicken, Surratt spring rolls, and maybe Mary Swung lo mein. The story of Abraham Lincoln's assassination is well known. What's less known is the role this Chinese restaurant played in the event. The night before the crime, all the conspirators ordered Chinese from this place. That's not true. What today is Walk and Roll, a mediocre restaurant in Chinatown, was once a boarding house owned by Mary Surratt. Surratt was a rebel sympathizer and, according to the military tribunal that tried the assassination conspirators, Surratt met regularly here with actor and assassin John Wilkes Booth and his gang, which included George Atzelrodt, Lewis Powell, and David Harold. It was here that Booth arranged for Surratt to deliver field glasses and guns to a tavern she owned in Maryland to be used by Booth and Harold during their escape. 3 days after the assassination, the D.C. police show up here, wanting to take Surratt down to the station for further questioning. Just before they're about to leave, Lewis Powell, who's on the run, shows up looking for a place to hide. Powell tells the police that he's a ditch digger who came by to inquire about some work. They don't buy it and arrest him too. All four were convicted and hanged at Washington Arsenal, which today is Fort McNair. Surratt was the first woman executed by the federal government. She was buried near the gallows. 4 years later, her daughter received government approval to move her body to D.C.'s Mount Olivet Cemetery. The night of her execution, a mob attacked the house and took souvenirs until the police stopped them. Surratt's daughter later sold the house, and over the years it was a tea shop, a grocery store, and a storefront that sold liquor during Prohibition. There's a marker on the front, but it's not an official historic site. So if you're hanging around Chinatown, bring your friends, bring your accomplices, bring your American cousin, and stop by Walk and Roll. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.